car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too, we bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
Alright, crowd, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's gonna do better. Let's see how the better do that. See, I'm looking better already. Let's do all of them. That's on that number 7. He's coming out more. Back to back better of the instigator. Can that old Chrysler duke it out? Good, oh, down by that. Ooh, the better roll up over. Good down by that. Number 7, the other one, last time. Oh, both. Folks. That old Chrysler seems to be all by himself. I love a Cinderella story myself. Gonna leave the truck opportunity to do right no house like that. Look at the wheel hopping at number 13. 70 at Baltimore. Stalled. Russo and orange. Here's the finger. Star's doing a good job. He knows what's going on. He's leaving the back out there and making him work it. He knows he's got a lot of back in that number 30. Batman stalls. Got to get it fired up. We could be down to 2. Got to fire it back out. Here it comes. Good shot there. Good shot. Oh. All 3 stall. And they all get fired back up. I like it. Bruce in the fire. The orange car starts. Oh, he's going to have a better shot there. He's starting to go. Got to get it through. Look at Here. Instigator. Smart. That's how you finish. That's how you finish right here. Smart driving here by the Instigator. Great finish. And I know we all seen it, but that was a Cinderella, right? You beat them all on that one. Great driving, brother.